This is a female, and she's looking for a partner. Could he be the one? He's turned pale, a sign that he's interested. Once she's certain, she too changes her colour to match his. Her belly is now swollen with eggs ready to be fertilised. So now she's going to pass her precious eggs to him. They position themselves with great precision, and she transfers all her eggs without losing a single one. The pouch on his belly now contains about 300 eggs. It's now up to him to look after them. 3 weeks later, and his pregnancy is almost at an end. His body starts contractions that slowly increase in intensity. And then release. Many fish give birth to live young, but seahorses are the only group in which it is the males who do so. The young are just 10 millimeters long, fully formed and ready to make their own way in life. Each a perfect miniature of its parents.